This Cessna flies in between trees. This overloaded plane crashes. Thankfully no one was injured.
Nossa! Puta que pariu! Quebrou a cerca. Olha, 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 olha.
Nossa senhora.
A árvore. Nó. Rapaz, que bicho doido.
This Tu-154 lands just before the runway. Before we head to the next clip, make sure to like and subscribe, it will be greatly appreciated. And this plane takes off in a lot of mud.
Esse bichinho aí tem pressão, olha. Olha aí. Já foi.
Vai rodando poeira lá.
And this tornado was dangerously close to a passenger plane.
Left side of the aircraft, we do need for you to buckle up for us, please. And somebody had asked me, is the captain aware? Yes, we are all aware.
This overloaded Cessna can't take off.